Hi there and welcome to my channel. Today I'm working the Toyota Alphard 3 litre MZ, which is a 10 series, and I'm just going through some winter checks, and one of them is to make sure that I clean out the MAF, the mass airflow sensor, which is located over here. And I've removed the two screws that hold it on, and now one thing which you may overlook is that the mass airflow sensor has a seal there, a little rubber seal. And that's the sensor in there. So my plan of attack was to check the quality of the seal, and as you can see, it wasn't very good, it was broken. And also to clean out that mass airflow sensor there using a mass airflow cleaner. Now that is completely different from brake fluid and stuff like that. You don't be doing that on your mass airflow sensor. It's very sensitive. And the other thing which I'll be doing is cleaning out the connectors there, just with an electrical connector and the one down here which clips onto it as well. Just clean that with an electrical connector cleaner, and that's what I'll be doing today. And also at the same time, I've previously changed the air filter, but I'm just going and had a look, make sure it's all peachy, which it is. I may notice a difference when it comes to actually placing this out. Hopefully I will do, because as I said, the cleaning should allow a more accurate read of the air going through, and that should result in a better ECU readings, which should result in better fuel economy if it is dirty. Thank you very much for watching.